You think you know what to pack for Thailand? Think again, because some of the items might surprise you.
I've seen so many travelers make these mistakes, and trust me, you don't want to be that person shivering through your thin t-shirt in Thailand's mall. First, listen carefully to these common mistakes, and then you can also check out our link to download a printable Thailand packing list.
The most important packing tip for Thailand is to pack lighter and lighter than you originally planned.
Remember, you are basically packing for a country where you can show up with just your passport and credit card and leave with a better wardrobe than you have ever had. We have heard so many travelers share their experience about the fact that you will end up buying 7 tank tops and 5 elephant pants here, not to mention cute, affordable souvenir that you cannot resist. So leave room in your luggage.
Here's the next big tip for packing to Thailand. Don't get food into thinking that it's super hot and tropical country, so you only pack the summer clothes.
First of all, it really depends on where you're going in Thailand. Some places in the north can be pretty chilly no matter what time of year it is. For example, there's this mountain village where the weather stays around 20 Celsius or even lower all year. One of our clients once said she thought it would be super hot just like in Chiang Mai city, but when she got to Doi Inthanon, which is the highest mountain top in Chiang Mai, Thailand, it was so cold she almost got sick because she didn't pack the right coat. So when you check the weather for your trip, make sure to search by the province name. The more specific you are, the better. Don't just search Thailand. And if you think being in the city like Bangkok is always hot, plot twist. While it's blazing outside, indoor in Thailand can be freezing, especially for some women. Malls, restaurants, and the BTS Skytrain are cranked to Arctic temperatures. Some indoor aircon places can be too cold, so you must put on layers. And because of these reasons, I always carry a small packable scarf that doubles as protection from both AC and sun, or a light cardigan or jacket I can easily carry with me.
So if the temple hopping is on your list in Thailand, listen up, because you might not want to borrow some dirty pants in front of the temple entrance.
Most popular temples usually have a wrap skirt or scarf you can borrow at the entrance. But honestly, I always feel a little unsure about how clean they really are. And I don't know about you, but I'm not too excited to wear something that a sweaty stranger just had on. So I like to bring my own. Here's what you need to know about the dress code for temples. Your outfit shouldn't be too revealing. If you wear a skirt, make sure it's not too short. If you wear shorts, they should at least cover your knees. Some temples also don't allow tank tops, so your shirt should have sleeves. That said, it kind of depends. If the temple is a big tourist spot and there are no monks staying there, I have been able to go in with a tank top before, but honestly, you never really know which ones will be strict, so it's best to bring a scarf or light shirt just in case. And out of all of them, the Grand Palace has the strictest rules. You can check the official website for full details. One of our clients wore a nice, modest dress, but the sleeves were too short and she wasn't allowed in. So if the Grand Palace is on your list, just be extra careful with what you wear.
Thailand is a shopping paradise, especially there's malls and convenience stores in every corner, especially in the big city. But if you are too picky about brands or ingredients or prices, you want to pack this.
Apart from the essentials like cash, passports, and clothing, here's a list of things we recommend you bring to Thailand. First is sunscreen, but only if you have a preferred brand. While you can buy it here easily, some brands like Banana Boat can be a lot pricier compared to the US. Next is tampons. Similarly, bringing your own because you can find them here of course, but not many brands since Thai women prefer pads. As for international power adapter, most electronics work with both 110 volts and 220 volts, and the plugs are the same as in the US. However, items like hair dryers and electric toothbrushes might require a transformer. Next is a good book. English book can be more expensive here than in English-speaking countries. And the last one, yes, some Reddit comments mention this, and we'll take Reddit's word for it. Sizes may vary, and what's available in convenience stores like 7-Eleven might be on a smaller side.
The opposite of not packing enough is packing too much and you end up not using it in Thailand.
First is thick clothes like sweater and heavy jackets. You might be able to use this only a few weeks during the winter if you go to the mountain area in the north. Temperature can go down to 10 Celsius for a week or two and only in high mountain area only. Next one is bringing lots of Thai baht. Why? That's because exchange rates are much better in Thailand, especially at places like super rich exchange booths, not in your home country. So bring a small amount in Thai baht or just bring your currency or card to exchange it here. Reusable water bottle. Many people ask us on Instagram whether they should bring it. Sure, you can use it when you go to cafe or things like that. But if you are thinking of refilling water when you are traveling outdoor, you have difficult time to find water fountain and tap water is not drinkable in Thailand. So in order to refill your bottle, you have to go to 7-Eleven and buy a plastic bottle first, which might not be your intention to use reusable water bottle, right? And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will cover more common mistakes for first timers in Thailand. Until next time, สวัสดีค่ะ